At the point when neither snow nor rain nor melancholy of night will stay you from your named grounds, you needn't bother with extravagant styling or modern innovation. All you require is a straightforward steel box with 4 wheels, 1 seat, on the right-hand side, a mail arranging plate, and a motor. The Jeep DJ was that vehicle, and DJs filled in as workhorses for the United States Postal Service beginning in 1955 and in some rustic zones into our present century. Here's one of the last ones made, discovered canvassed with snow in a Denver self-benefit destroying yard. At the point when American Motors purchased Jeep in 1970, it constructed and sold DJs by means of its AM General Auxiliary. The DJ5 was a stripped-down, 2-wheel drive adaptation of the truly straightforward to begin with Jeep CJ, and there wasn't much to turn out badly with it. The last year for the DJ5 was 1984. Amid the AMC time, the DJ got a consistently moving exhibit of motors, contingent upon what resembled the best arrangement in Kenosha at a given time. Beginning with the Chevrolet Nova Straight 4, Jeep DJ motor compartments loaded AMC Straight 6S of 232 and 258 cubic inch removals, trailed by Audi 2-liter Straight 4s, yes, a similar motor utilized by the Porsche 924, at that point the 2.5-liter GM Iron Duke 4, lastly the 2.5-liter AMC Straight 4. This DJ5L has Duke control. The early DJs had manual transmissions, however all the AM General DJ5s accompanied automatics. On the off chance that you think an Iron Duke controlling a Jeep is odd, consider that it's dashed to a Chrysler Torque Flight transmission. Once the USPS was finished with them, shabby DJ5s overwhelmed the market. This one has had an arbitrary junkyard situate swap, however holds the convenient mail arranging plate.